This miso fried rice recipe is easy, quick, and so tasty. You're gonna make a miso sauce. All the ingredients and details are in the description below. And you want day-old leftover jasmine rice. It has to be day-old. That way there's not too much moisture. Break it up with your hands. Saute onions in a pan. Once they're fragrant, add the cold rice. Then you're gonna toss it around and you're gonna pat it down. Let the rice grains heat up. After that, add the miso sauce all over on top. You want to mix, continuously mixing, continuously tossing. That way every grain of rice is coated. Add a pat of butter. You could use plant butter. And also toss that, continuously mixing. Add your chopped bok choy or greens of choice, salt and pepper to taste, and there you have it. That's miso fried rice. You can garnish it however you'd like. I like to put sunny side up eggs. I love the yolk. Cut that and mix it with the rice. It's super delicious. It makes a complete meal. This is a beautiful Asian side dish or even a meal in itself. Please like, follow, and subscribe for more easy Asian recipes. Thanks, guys.